Have you ever thought about the best way to clean window glass before painting? Here is how. Cut all paint with a Stanley knife, just where the putty meets the glass. On newer windows, you do not need to put a filling knife between the Stanley knife and the putty, like I showed you in video number 1, as newer putty is much stronger and is difficult to accidentally damage. Using a scraper, clean old paint from the glass. Brush the dust off. And pass one more time with the Stanley knife and brush the dust off again.